Wait. A man that you gave birth to 3 children run out of the house when your children was still age of 2, 3 years. Now they are 10, 12, 15, and he was begging you and you accept. For what, man? You accept Guinea and una still dey live for that house. God forbid. And you forgive Jim and you guys are living in that same house. You are living in that house. What kind of heart you get, madam? I no fit o. Cannot do that. After all, I don't need them again. My children go soon go. They're not already grown up by now God I train them for.